Parrots are some of the most iconic and popular birds in the animal kingdom. While the spotlight often shines on species like African gray parrots, macaws, and lovebirds, there's a hidden world of extraordinary parrots with behaviors and adaptations that will leave you amazed. In this video, we're stepping into the lives of these rare birds to uncover their secrets and their significance. Let's start with one of the rarest birds you'll ever hear about, the night parrot. Native to Australia, this nocturnal parrot is a creature of mystery. For decades, it was thought to be extinct until a remarkable rediscovery in 2013. Unlike most parrots that bask in the daylight, the night parrot wakes as the sun sets, emerging to forage for seeds across the harsh, arid landscapes it calls home. Its survival depends on its incredible camouflage. With mottled green and yellow feathers, it blends seamlessly into spinifex grasses, becoming nearly invisible to both predators and people. Adding to its secrecy, the night parrot communicates with soft, infrequent calls, a far cry from the noisy chatter we associate with parrots. It's a master of stealth, a true ghost of the outback. Next, we journey to New Zealand to meet the Kakapo, a parrot unlike any other. Imagine an olive-green teddy bear of a bird. This flightless, nocturnal parrot is critically endangered, with only a few hundred individuals remaining. The Kakapo is also the heaviest parrot in the world, and it leads a life that's as fascinating as it is unique. During the breeding season, male Kakapos transform into performers. They create booming bowls, hollows in the ground, to amplify their deep, resonant calls. These sounds can carry for kilometers, luring females to their king grounds. And while their mating strategy is remarkable, so is their longevity. Kakos can live up to 90 years, making them one of the longest-lived birds on the planet. These gentle giants sustain themselves on a diet of native plants and fruits, with the rimu tree playing a pivotal role in their reproduction. Now, let's venture into the rainforests of New Guinea to meet the Dracula parrot, officially known as the Pesquet's parrot. This bird's striking appearance is unforgettable. Its black feathers, bright red belly, and vulture-like bare head give it an almost gothic elegance. The bare head isn't just for show, it's a clever adaptation. Feeding almost exclusively on figs, the Dracula parrot avoids getting sticky fruit pulp stuck in its feathers, and while its looks are dramatic, its calls are simple. Short and grating, unlike the melodic whistles of its relatives, this parrot is a specialist in both diet and design. From the rainforests, we climb into the cold alpine regions of New Zealand to meet the key. This is one of the world's few alpine parrots, and it's famous for its mischievous nature. Keys are highly intelligent and endlessly curious, often approaching humans to dismantle cars or swipe food. But there's more to the key than pranks. Unlike most parrots, it occasionally eats meat, scavenging carrion, or even feeding on sheep fat. Their problem-solving abilities are legendary, with studies showing they can use tools and solve complex puzzles. The key thrives in an environment most parrots wouldn't dare to inhabit, proving its remarkable adaptability. Our next stop takes us to Australia to meet the swift parrot. This critically endangered bird is a true wanderer, traveling hundreds of kilometers each year between Tasmania and mainland Australia. With its vibrant colors and unmatched agility, it's a spectacle in flight. What makes the swift parrot so vital is its role as a pollinator. It feeds on nectar from eucalyptus blossoms, helping these trees reproduce. But the swift parrot faces a dire threat: introduced predators like sugar gliders, which attack its nests. Despite its speed and resilience, this little parrot is fighting for survival. Another remarkable parrot story comes from Mauritius. Meet the echo parakeet, a bird that was on the brink of extinction in the 1980s, with fewer than 20 individuals left. Thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers have climbed to over 800, making this a true success story. These vibrant green parrots nest in tree cavities, a behavior that makes them vulnerable to habitat loss. But their selective diet, which favors native fruits and flowers, helps them play a vital role in maintaining their ecosystem. The echo parakeet is proof that with the right efforts, we can bring species back from the edge. On the forest floor of Australia, the ground parrot lives a life unlike most of its kind. True to its name, this parrot spends most of its time on the ground, foraging for seeds and insects. Its plumage, a mix of greens, yellows, and blacks, provides perfect camouflage in its grassy habitat. But life on the ground comes with risks. Habitat loss and introduced predators like foxes and cats have caused significant declines in their population. Still, the ground parrot remains a testament to adaptation and resilience. Finally, we encounter the red-fan parrot of the Amazon rainforest. When threatened, this parrot puts on a spectacular display, raising its nape feathers into a dramatic red fan. It's a show of strength and intimidation, but it's also a reminder of the intricate survival strategies birds develop. It's a frugivore by nature. The red fan parrot plays an essential role in seed dispersal, helping to sustain the rainforest ecosystem. Its vibrant displays and ecological importance make it a true gem of the Amazon. Many of these rare parrots are fighting battles against habitat destruction, invasive predators, and climate change. Their unique roles, from pollinating flowers to dispersing seeds, are vital to their ecosystems. Protecting them isn't just about saving individual species. It's about preserving the balance of nature. Parrots are far more diverse than the colorful, talkative companions we often imagine. From the stealthy night parrot to the clever key, each species tells a story of survival, adaptability, and ecological importance. By protecting these rare birds, we ensure that their unique behaviors and vital roles continue to inspire and sustain the natural world for generations to come.